Good morning, dear students. This is Mallikarjun, lecturer in English, Government Degree College for Women, Nalgonda. So, as a part of online teaching, in the previous class we have seen tenses. In tenses, we have seen simple present tense. The usages of simple present tense and examples and model questions. Today, we are going to learn present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is called ongoing action in the present. Ongoing action in the present. Ongoing action in the present. So the usage of simple, the present continuous tense, we use this tense to tell an action which is going on in the present. Which is going on in the present. If we want to see the action, we can see it because the action will be continuing in front of the speaker. Generally, the actions which is going on in the present were in front of our eyes. So we have to say them in present continuous tense. Example: I am teaching English. I am teaching English. I am teaching English now. You see this example. I am teaching English now. This action is going on in front of you. Can't you see this action? Yes, you can see this action. I am teaching the English. It is visible to your eyes. Okay. He is learning. He is learning English at present. At present. So this is also the action. He is learning English. You can see it now. It is in front of your eyes. It is going on in the present. So all these actions are temporary actions. All the continuous tenses in English are temporary actions. These actions will be finished within a short period. Now you see this example. They are going to movie. They are going to movie now. So like that we use this tense. So the structure of simple present tense. The structure of present continuous tense. Generally we get subject in the beginning of the sentence. We get subject in the beginning of the sentence. In English, every sentence starts with subject itself. In the previous class we have seen the structure of sentences in English: subject plus verb plus other words. In sentences we have different tenses. So here present continuous tense starts with subject and then we have to use a suitable be form: is, am, are. So is, am, are called be forms. Generally is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been. There are 8 be forms in English. In 8 be forms, here as it is present, we have to use present be forms. The present be forms in English are is, am, are. Now is, for example, we take about is. It tells about present time and singular number. It tells about present time and singular number. Am, it tells about present time and singular number. Are, it tells about present time and plural number. After using be form, we have to use first form of a verb. First form of a verb. The first form of a verb: go, learn, teach. So this is called first form of a verb. So this is the base form, present form. Then we have to add ing to the first form of a verb. We have to add ing to the first form of a verb and then other words. So at present, now, nowadays, whatever we will get them in other words. So the structure of present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are plus first form of a verb plus ing form plus other words. So we use is with singular subjects. For example, he, she, it, and singular noun. If the subjects are he is, she, it, singular noun. He is, she is, it is, Raju is, Sita is, Gopi is. In the same way, am. We use am with only one subject, that is I. And will come only with I. Without I, we cannot get am with any other subject in English language. Am is a verb which is used only with I and then are. It is a plural subject. It is plural subject. For example, plural noun we, you, they. We, you, they. These are the plural subjects. Means that we are, you are, they are, boys are, girls are. Like that we use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to say ongoing action in the present. The clue word which we have to remember. We need not remember the entire definition of present continuous tense. The entire definition of present continuous tense is we use this tense to tell an action which is going on in the present. If you want to see the action, we can see it. So this is the entire definition. We need not remember all the entire definition. Just we have to capture the main part of present continuous tense. Simple. That is ongoing action in the present. Ongoing action in the present is called present continuous tense. In the same way, easily we can learn three tenses. For example, if it is past continuous tense, just change past. If it is future continuous tense, just change it future. You will get three definitions of, you can compare the three tenses. For example, present continuous tense, ongoing action in the present. Past continuous tense, ongoing action in the past. Future continuous tense, ongoing action in the future. So only the time will be changing. All the actions are going on. All the actions are continuous actions. Continuous actions will be taught in present continuous tense and past continuous tense and in future continuous tense. Okay. Well, these examples, how to recognize? There are some clue words to recognize present continuous tense. So generally, by knowing the language, we can understand which tense is the sentence is given. But here, just as a student, you will be asked in the exam to write. So you have to identify the tense out of 12 tenses. Okay. So here, clue words are now. Without, you will get the clue words like that. Here you see, you got now and present. At present, and then nowadays, and look, look, see, observe, look, see, observe, don't disturb. These are the clue words you get in present continuous tense. What are the clue words that you get in present continuous tense? Now, at present, nowadays, look, see, observe, don't disturb. These are the clue words. For example, how do we get nowadays? Okay, the man is going to spoken English nowadays. It means nowadays he is going. At present he is not going. And you see, look, the old man is walking along the road. The old man is walking along the road. We are showing it to the other person. Look, you see, the old man is walking. And for example, see, the boy is running across the road. See how dare the boy is running across the road. Like that we use the see. And observe, somebody is crying. I think we have listened to the voice of someone who is crying. Then we say, observe, that guy is crying. I heard observe, a strange voice is coming, somebody is crying. Like that we say, don't disturb. We can say, don't disturb, I am writing the exam. Don't disturb, I am listening to the news. So like that we will say. Model questions we will get in the exam. In exam also, we get these pens. How do we get in model question? Now let us see the model questions. Model questions in the exam, how do we get? Okay, right. Here we will get like this. See, I dash paint the room. Okay. So here we have to see the clue word. See is there. When this side is see is there in the clue word. When there is the clue word see, automatically it refers to present continuous tense. And we have to remember the structure of present continuous tense. What is the structure of present continuous tense? Subject plus is, am, or plus first form of a verb plus ing form So immediately here subject I already is there, and then we have to use is, am, or, any one out of the be form. So with I, is will not come, am, yes, I am. Then paint is the verb which he has given. What is the first form for paint? Paint itself. So paint. Afterwards, what is there in the structure? Ing. So we have to add ing. So this is the answer. I am painting the room. Okay. You see this example. Don't disturb. Don't disturb him. He dash write the exam. Write the exam. So here, don't disturb him. Don't disturb him. It is a clue word in present continuous tense. So when you saw present don't disturb, immediately you can understand that the given sentence is present continuous tense. Then what is the subject here? He is the subject. He is the subject. So he to which subject, which be form we get? Are, am, or, he are, he am, no, he is. Yes, it is correct. He is. And then write. First form of your write itself. We have to add into it writing. Don't disturb. He is writing the exam. Like that. Okay, you see this example? They dash play. They dash play cricket. They dash play cricket now. You see this example. They dash play cricket now. They అంటే వారు, ప్లే అంటే ఆడడం, క్రికెట్ అంటే గేమ్, నవ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు. ఈ పని ఎప్పుడు జరిగింది? నవ్ అంటే ప్రజెంట్ లో జరిగింది. సో దిస్ యాక్షన్ వాజ్ ఇన్ ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. లైక్ దట్ వి హావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. అలా అర్థం కాలేదు, యూ డు నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ లైక్ దట్, ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ యూ సర్చ్ ఫర్ ద క్లూ వర్డ్స్. నవ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. నవ్ ఈజ్ a clue word in present continuous tense. Then automatically blindly you can say that the given sentence is in present continuous tense. So they. So what is the helping verb we have to use? Is, am, or, they is, they am, they are. So they are will come. So they are. Play first form of a verb. We have to add ing form to it. They are playing cricket now. So like that, the present continuous tense is it. I think is it clear to you? Very simple present continuous tense. Just remember one thing. Once again I will give you the important points. Just ongoing action in the present is called present continuous tense. Okay, you have to remember the structure. Subject plus is, am, or plus first form of a verb plus ing form plus other words, and then you have to remember the clue words. Now at present, nowadays, look, see, observe, don't disturb, like the clue words will be there. So this is present continuous tense. I think you may have understood well. You can do the more examples and exercises you can search the examples in Google so that you can do the more examples. Thank you very much. Thank you.